only thing better than one Corvette. Two Corvettes, obviously. Pretty stoked on this. It's always the biggest day when the car comes out of retirement, out of storage. Can't beat the feeling, man. Can't wait. It's been, what, 6-7 months? Alright, we're on the road right now. I'm about to go pick up some new wheels for the C5. I've been looking for these wheels for 3 years, probably more. Ever since I got the car, maybe even before I got the car. Now that we got the cash, let's get back on the road. So sick. So sick. Alright guys, just secured the package. C5Z Speedline wraps. I get that out of the way. 19-20 inch. So staggered setup. We're keeping the staggered setup. Right now I have 18-19. But we're going from 18-19 to 19 up front and 20 in the rear. Look at these wheels. Like, look at the condition of these things. Brand new. Absolutely brand new. Not a scuff on them. Tires are a little bit old. So might need to be replaced, but brand new tires, expired, but 100% tread, which is crazy. But look at these wheels, man. I cannot wait to see what these look like on the car. It's gonna look so much better than it does right now. I've been looking for these wheels for so long. You know, they don't produce them anymore, so to come across a set of these, super rare. As soon as they came up, I had to jump on them. To find them in this color and in bigger sizes, I lucked out. Let's get back on the road. All right, there they are. But check this out. We got the front and the rear lined up. Just looks unbelievable. Example of how this is gonna look, which is just insane. Looks a lot better than the chrome. I mean, look at that. It's just, you can't really beat that. Some of the best looking wheels ever, in my opinion. Yeah. I can't wait. This car is gonna look a whole lot better.